says Trace, Hurricane Laura is on the other side of the Mississippi River, so it seems okay. I think I'm gonna go. Alright, so just got done, got to Venice, Louisiana last night, close to midnight. It's 1,985 miles, I think. I'll have to look that up again. But yeah, just kind of reflection on it. There's no big hooray or drink of wine or anything. It's just get there, take the picture, ride my bike around. There's not much there at night, and then start heading back up. So you're at the very point of Louisiana, the very end of the delta, the last road, Highway 23. So yeah, it's gonna get some gator today, but the lady said that they don't have any gator to eat. The road that I was riding on, she said there's a bunch of gators on that, so I would have kept going. But a lot of the roads are underwater because the Hurricane Laura came through. Working a lot of the levees. Can't see it right here, but there's bulldozers and stuff. They must have busted through. I didn't see any houses underwater, but they're mostly on stilts. So they got a few feet, and then they've got pumps that pump everything out. Last night I was riding, it was kind of funny. And I heard all this crunching. I was afraid I was going to get a flat tire. What is that, glass? So I stopped, put my head down, and saw all these crabs crossing the road. So I was just running them over. It's kind of gross. Louisiana's been hot. Oh, it's like 90s every day, high humidity, close to 100%. And just even hot at night, hard to sleep, just sweaty all the time. My clothes reek. I wash them in faucets every day with Dawn dish soap, but it's just like a fermented toilet bowl cleaner, sauerkraut, horrid smell. Way worse than through hiking. I just can't get the stink out. So hopefully I can get to a laundromat, clean that up a little bit. Every day feels like it's into the wind. Ugh. I got rashes, ankles, mosquito bites. Oh, the mosquitoes, not as bad as northern Minnesota, but they're tiny and they're at night, they're everywhere. And heat rash. Then I stepped on this ant mound and then they just destroyed my ankles. They came up and just started biting me. And of course my butt's chafed. That's gross. Shirt's kind of bloody from all killing the mosquitoes. But other than that, my bike's holding together, just 2 flats. Stopped at a fire station today to kind of top it off. My hand pump is hard to get up to pressure. Haven't been hungry, it's been so hot, so I've been drinking a lot. Tried to drink chocolate milk, orange juice and stuff, but been drinking Mountain Dew too. Yesterday morning, I was sleeping under lemon trees. I didn't even know it, or lime trees. They're not the same that I buy in the grocery store. They're huge, like orange, big orange size, but it was good. Although I did have a touch of the runs after eating it, so I don't know. Maybe it wasn't a lime. Maybe it was something I wasn't supposed to eat. Maybe it was something else. But yeah, the roads down here. I'm on a back road now, but it's coming out to Highway 23, which is the main road. So I'll have to shut the camera off. Once I hit that, you know, once I get from Venice back to the airport, it's over 100 miles still, so it's done. And now I got a bike back to the airport, put my bike in a bike box, try to get a bike box tape, take the bike apart, buy a wrench to get the pedals off, a lot of other stuff, and try to clean up, find a place to stay. Yeah, and then I'm gonna just sleep for like maybe 48 hours, because the last 3 nights I don't know if I slept at all. So sleep will be good in a bed. All right. Oh, that's nice. A big house coming down. Gotta go.